Okay, guys, this is new apartment.
Check this out.
So first, when you come in, cut the light on. Go into the coat closet. Oh, cut the light on in there too. Oh yeah, okay, with the hardwood. Come through with it. Let me take my work shoes off. I just got off work. So this is the office. Well, one room. We're actually making it a room. It's the office. If you cut this light on, then, ooh, okay, spotlight with the spot. Okay, what else, guys? Yeah, we're still moving stuff in. Okay, yes, son. Nice ceiling fan. What, baby? And I love your bathroom. You love your bathroom set?
Yeah, boy!
My TV and my PlayStation.
I love this tub, though.
Still dirty.
It's still dirty, you said? Oh, that is dirt. Yeah, but it can't be dirty. We're the first people to use it. Nobody else has lived here before us. It might be like dust, I guess. Oh, yeah. And then the double doors for the closet. Oh, I like your closet, Seth. I like your closet. Yeah. There's no clothes in there. My gorgeous husband did all this moving with his brother. Hey, hello, husband. Hi. And what is this? Marble countertops?
Granite.
Okay, granite. It is. You're right. I got that wrong. My HGTV is a little rusty. And I like these light. What are those kind of lights called? Oh my goodness. Are they recessed lights? Is that what it's called? No, I'm serious. I'm not making it up. I might be wrong though. And so much to unpack. What's that? What am I thinking of? The word fireplace. Okay, yeah, there's the fireplace. And come through here to the babe. What's the first thing called? The sunroom and then the balcony? Wait, how do you get up? Oh. Okay, well I can't get out though. Oh. Oh, Sean, don't say that again. Do not say that again. Yo, don't call me weak again. It's a weak ass. Give me some balcony time. Anyway, this is the balcony. And the pool is still incomplete. I think it's cool. We have a little putt-putt area. And the pool is still lots of construction. Really hot. Oh. Let's lock this.
Is the screen door? You just left her door.
Oh, I left the screen open?
Yes.
Why I got...
Can I get the keys, please?
I put them down somewhere again. And I don't know where. I'm sorry. Excuse me, Phoebe. So we're gonna have really cute bar stools here, right? And I love this lighting here. And this is the freezer. It came with food. No, not really. And refrigerator. These are the cabinets. I love the cabinets. I can't help it, guys. And this is our microwave. And it's GE. This is what, this money, you get GE appliances, okay? And I like this part. I want some really fancy chinaware. My grandma has chinaware in her thing. But it's a real thing though. It's like a big, big thing. Anyway. Let's see. garbage disposal, all of that. Some, let's see, stove. I do not cook, but it's cool that nobody's ever used this stove. We'll be the first. John will be the first to cook in it. Somebody will. Extra bathroom. It's really nice. I like it. Laundry room. Laundry. What's that light for? Oh. And my room. The number one Don Dada's room. It's my room. My room. And then you go down this little tiny hallway. And here's my closet. I know it's bigger than the closet that I had at my old apartment, but I don't know, I really still don't have the same amount of space in the bedroom. Like, the bedroom in my old apartment was way larger than the bedroom here. Okay, but we have double sinks, a toilet, and the same type of tub as the other bathroom. Guys, I have on my work clothes, so don't judge me. Don't even look at what I was looking like in that mirror. Okay, guys. Hey, Phoebes.
Hey, Mom. Can I get my covers out of the bags?
I don't know where anything is at. Do you know where it's at? Is it really cold in here to you?
Yeah, no. Me and Beth been cold for too long.
Y'all cold? Okay, well, we'll work on that. Okay, at the top, it's me and my mommy. And then under that are my Louis shoes and my other shoes and my $2 bills. And under that are a few bags. Yeah, just a few bags. Under here, this is all my workout shorts, bras, bloomers, drawers, panties, whatever you call them. T-shirts that I can wear in real life. I don't know. Shirts I wear in real life. I don't know. Tights I wear in real life. Clothes I wear at work. Work life. Okay, guys. So somehow, some way, I was able to fit all my shoes at the top. All my sneakers. All of my clothes are hung up. I still have a few hangers left, thank God, because I still got some dirty clothes that are at the other apartment. This is like from when I was a little girl. My mama gave me that. This is from when I was a little girl too. Like, something's wrong with my camera, so I'm scared to move. But that was a car cell phone. Yeah, y'all don't know nothing about that. 80s babies only, baby. So anyway, that's my jewelry. I'm trying to keep the like rose gold theme going. You see my hangers are rose gold, and like, I don't know. I was just trying to like keep it all matchy. Yeah. And that's like some baby books from Seth probably, and pictures. All of this is pictures. Everything under there is pictures, guys. And here is where everybody knows your name. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, anyway, this is an A that I got from At Home, and my Beats Peel, and these are some flowers. And oh my, this is my junk right here. Back again. Hey, That's a real friend. So yeah, these are like some really good books. My bracelet, my belt, some other books, some EO stuff, some, oh wow, that's a throwback. All my nail polish and stuff. This is my, oh yeah, scarf and my my sunglasses and my other glasses and stuff. And this is something my dad got me that like makes music when you turn the little thing. Yeah, so that's my closet, guys. I got it all organized. It did not look like it was gonna get done, but look at God. All right, bye guys. Dumped out my Chewy bars. And I'm about to organize them in here because I do corny stuff like that now. I did my Nutri-Grain bars. I have oatmeal cookies over there I gotta do. But anyway, guys, if you want to see what we do with the apartment, I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do with the apartment because we threw away the old couches. We still have the other apartment because my lease wasn't completely up. And word of advice, do not mess up your credit when it comes to leasing apartments. I don't care if you got doctor bills that you ain't paid, but when it comes to like your name, when it comes to apartments, make sure you pay. So yeah, we still have the other apartment, so we still have furniture in that apartment that we're throwing away. But if you guys want to see what new furniture we buy for this apartment, or like how we decorate, or if you have any advice, because I mean, I don't know what I want to do. I know I have like some sort of things in my head. Like I really like the green look with a whole bunch of like plants, but fake plants, because I don't like spiders, I don't like bugs, and I don't like maintenance when it comes to real plants. So that's like what I think I want to go with as far as the look. So if you have any advice, or if you want to see what I do, just let me know, guys, because I've already done my closet, and I think I'm going to show you guys what my closet looks like, because I'm really proud of my closet. And I've done Phoebe's room, super proud of that. Been working on Seb's room, been working on our room, and working on the kitchen. The living room is going to take a lot of work because it's a lot of space. And I'm really excited. You know, I'm not bragging. I don't want this video to seem like I'm bragging, because I'm not bragging. Like, I'm happy, I'm content, I am not complacent, because I already know that this is like just the beginning. My prayers, when I pray to God, I be like, God bless me abundantly and above all I could ask or think. Okay, so when I say that, when I say enlarge my territory, things like that, I already know, like in my manifestation book, I have like this humongous house. Like if that is in my book, then it can come to pass. I don't even know if I want a house now. I don't know, because I don't know. But like, this is just the beginning. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It says do not despise small beginnings. And when I tell you I had small beginnings, I was working at the post office, but still living in a trailer. That's when I had my son. And yo, I mean, I feel like I'm proud of how far I have come. And I thank God for it. And I'm excited. And I'm going to show you guys what my old apartment looks like too, because when I came from where I'm from to here, the first apartment that I moved to in Greensboro was like terrible. Like, it really looked nice on the inside, and when they advertised it online, so that's how I found it, and it looked really, really nice, and it was a really, really great price. And when you're not from somewhere and nobody makes YouTube videos about the areas, then you don't know you really moving to the hood. And like, we really moved to the hood, and I had a newborn at the time. I had Phoebe, and Seth was a little baby. So yeah, I wish somebody had made videos about like where they were living and like the conditions and like, you know, just the honest truth. Cause like, I want y'all to see my old apartment. I really did love it. It was $1,000 a month, and it was definitely worth it, and they were good to us, and the pool is so bomb, and the amenities are so bomb. And if you want to see the amenities for this apartment, guys, let me know, because the amenities are like for real bomb. Like, the amenities in my apartment that I just left, that I still have, are great too though. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to eat. I love you. Bye.